Right, question is, Camel looks at two cars. The normal price of car A is 1,550. I'm just going to write that over here. So car A is normally 1,550. Okay, car B is normally 1,950. Car B, 1,950. Okay, so cars up to £1,800, you get a certain deal. Cars over £1,800, you get another deal, a different deal. And then a special offer, when the sale price is over £1,250, you get an extra 5% off the sale price. So there's lots of different factors to take into consideration here. Right. Car B is over 1,800. Car A is less than 1,800. So car A is going to have this deal, and car B is going to have that deal. So let's work out the car A one. So car A, you get a third off. So I want a third off 1,950. So to work that out, I need to find out what 1/3 of 950 is and then subtract it. So 1/3 of 1,950 is the same as 1,950 divided by 3. Let's work out what that is. So 3 goes into 19. 3 doesn't go into 1. 3 goes into 19 6 times, 1's left over. 3 goes into 15 5 times, and there's a 0. So 1/3 of 1,950 is £650. So that's the reduction, that's 1/3 off. So 1,950, take away 650, and that gives me 1,300. So that's £1,300 at the moment. At the moment, I've worked out this deal for car A, and so car A at the moment is costing 1,300. Car B. Sorry, that's car B, isn't it? That's car B. Apologies, car B. Right, car A is 1,550, and then because it's less than 1,800, this deal is applying. So I want 20% off. So I'm going to find out what 20% of 1,550 is, and then I'm going to subtract that from the amount. So 10% of 1,550 is £155. It's just divided by 10, right? Because 10% is 1/10 of 100% of the price. So 20% must be twice that 10%, and that gives me £310. So that is my discount on car A. So car A is 1,550, take away £310, which gives me £1,240. And that is the price of car A. But I'm not quite finished, because I've still got to factor this thing in here. When the sale price is over 1,250, get an extra 5% off the sale price. So that, for car A, it's under 1,250. So that is my final price for car A. But for car B, it's over 1,250. So I need to take an extra 5% off that price. So I need to have a look at this price, and then I'm going to find 10% of 1,300, which is 130. So 5% is half that amount. So 5% of 1,300 must be half of 130, which is £65. That is an extra reduction. So my actual car B price is 1,300. Take away my extra £65 reduction, which gives me 1,235. So after all the reductions, car B is the cheaper car. Car B. That is a nightmare of a question, undoubtedly.
Really?